My people. They say the fear of corona is the beginning of wisdom. They don't talk. I use some people who know spoil, some people who know go better. It's me. I don't see reality now. Hey, married men. Now, as they thought they won't close down Lagos State. The one where go they say, they have no payers. I don't have money. Business is not going away. Then they drop money for make their wife go stock up. My sister called me today, say, for the past 4 years, her husband never give him money for soup. He see 250,000 today. He's gonna get better. They need attention now. Because they know say they go sit down for house. So no story. At least no football league. Which lie you won't lie? You see, this corona, it go help to straighten some marriage. All the barren women, make una fire well. This is opportunity for you. The one where no can understand for all the matter where they ground. This one where they say them close to Jumat, then close to Mubarak, then close everything. I beg, then close to one party. Because we don't buy Ashwebi. All those say they don't close club, no public gathering. Me, I won't know because anytime I want to talk something, make una simplify the matter. Because all of una they shut it down now. Una not make provision for anything. Me, I even say this week, then go announce, say make all of us go our local government, go collect mask, or go collect sanitizer. They don't share anything, give us. Yes, they say that they don't spend money. My president, what a one. Hey, una no go keep us for this Nigeria. Canada said they go provide food. They go provide this. All of them, they talk their own. Make you know, shall be say, Baba no talking. Baba no go say no they hear don't they walk well now. Baba say don't remove money for fuel. Baba, I no get motor. Now that's the way get motor go buy fuel. Jay himself, the person will go serving Jay no day. So I don't even need to buy fuel for Jay. So Baba, it be like say that's your own line where you go. We go need to review the matter. Now wow, this corona, since corona, antivirus. Me, I think say this week, then go now say, all ye Israel, go to your tent, go to your local government, yo. They don't put hand sanitizer, abi they don't put a mask, yo. We should go and collect it and protect ourselves, yo. Abi then go tell us, say, they don't give free this, yo. You see, yo, you see, if politics come now, then go bag rice, right PDP, right APC, right Bobo. Una no fit bag rice now, make una dey share. They no bag anything. We no see any we no see anything. Una no fit bag gari now. Say make una share for us. At least they no say make we no shop food. Now something we go carry go house. But this corona, me I just believe say now we may pay pass because now our guard is done for us. They no feel like. They no feel say they won't go watch football. I be traffic today, then pack somewhere. You gotta come home. Yes, you must come home now. So we where with the house now, self. We self not go allow them to think say our face the ground. We go do shakara small. At least we go pimp up. So now is the best time for all the women. Go update your Play Store. You where they do backside, ready to do front side and corner side because Oga dey ground. Oga no dey go anywhere. No story. You know, go tell you say you won't go play 1 hour, they come. Someone who don't shut down every garden street place, man. We there us together. We will resolve our problem together. Now we go show love because they are high they ground. All these men they are high they ground now. So all the money where they give you, don't say they buy gold, stock up food though, because now you go bring fruits. After fruits, you go bring food. After food, you go open your leg. After leg, you go massage. After massage, you will come discuss what you done they pay you for the past 4 years. At least we now go reserve. Oga no go say they do would go out. No rushing. Hey, stay in your house and solve your problem. It's simple as ABC. This is the time to make men. If corona they keep people, I don't tell you say we are die at chop life gun. Corona no fit keep nothing for us. So this coronavirus, God just want to take and restore a lot of things we don't scatter. All those husband and wife where sabi lie. You they go shop, you they go sit down for shop. Sanwo-Olu don say make you no go. Sanwo-Olu don talk say go give all of us 20,000, but he never collect account number. Yega. If you wan give us something, make you collect account number. So in the season of Corona, let us all look at something good we can do. All those of you who don't they procrastinate and planning to do this and plan to do that. This is the time to do it now. Everybody don't collect ball holiday, no movement. So nowhere, Pampa, may I help your destiny?
Daddy said that he wants to eat.
You see, Daddy don't cover. Daddy say want to do what?
Eat.
Daddy say want to eat. Before, baby, don't worry.
Why are they going to
I'm coming home late. Hey, let's be home, Lord. So ma wale wa jẹun. Daddy say I'm coming. I want to look good. That what does you want to eat? I got him covered. And after that, you should come and shake this bed. Will I say the carpenter, I don't double the layer of the pako. I don't increase the layer of the pako until this movement is over. I don't go pump my bed up. I don't want to hear story. You see? And still they talk. Pikin don't come and say, Daddy say want to eat. Where you go see one daddy wey wan eat by 7 o'clock before? Dem go tell you say dem dey meeting abi dem wan go wash ball. Which boy dey wash? You deceive yourself. Well, women, just grab the opportunity of this coronavirus and adjust your relationship, your marriage, spend time, make men, be more dedicated. Update your Play Store, sex type plenty, everything plenty. Change it. Change your hairstyle. See, if I scrub now, I go dey do my face pakru. I go meet Oga for downstairs. I feel even remove the towel for there. Say, I'm a baby. What do you? We wey no sabi sing love song now, because this one if you change the destiny of your marriage, we don't crash. Pata. Listen, no be now you go dey conra. Shebi you don't used to come home before. Hey, forget story. You don't come home now. Make use of the time where you come home. Now today talk. We women self we today night. Shebi, give Shebi as it is. There you are, my baby. Now you are here. Now you will go talk. So I wish all of you the best. God don't spoil some people. Will make your own better. If you don't grab the opportunity now, if they begin drink chloroquine, corona come up for this world, everything back to normal. So I'm gonna see people later. Make I go. They say Lati, they call me Lati Bobo. You want to that to eat? Hey, at least this one. Whether not this one, I go take hit and hammer. You know what I mean, man? Hey, my sisters, go and grab the opportunity now.